Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up any project or system effectively. First, clearly define your goals and what success looks like. Next, gather all required materials and information. Then, develop a comprehensive plan, breaking down the process into manageable steps. This structured approach ensures a smooth and successful setup, minimizing potential issues and saving valuable time. Effective planning is crucial for any setup. Begin by identifying all dependencies and potential challenges that might arise. Assign clear roles and responsibilities to everyone involved, ensuring accountability. Set a realistic timeline with achievable milestones to track progress. This proactive preparation helps prevent delays and keeps your setup on track from the very beginning. Once your plan is solid, it's time for execution. Follow your detailed steps precisely, making sure each task is completed correctly. Continuously monitor your progress against the set milestones to identify any deviations early. Document all adjustments and decisions, which is vital for future reference and troubleshooting. This diligent approach ensures a controlled and efficient setup. After completing the setup, a thorough review is essential. Evaluate the entire process, identifying what worked well and what could be improved. Document all lessons learned to refine your approach for future projects. Implement these optimizations to enhance efficiency and effectiveness in subsequent setups. This continuous improvement cycle is the only way to achieve consistent success.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.